Hello, everyone. Today is our another webinar. We'll talk about AI in e-commerce. We'll also describe the 7 solutions for store management and profit maximization. So before we start, please, from 1 to 10, give me a note whether you hear me well, how about the picture. So I'll make sure that everything is set up properly and we will move on. And another quick question, when you just replying to the sound and to the picture, just let me know, how do you use AI, or do you plan to use AI? What is the role of AI in your life, in your business? Just shortly, briefly, in a few sentences, please, just even few words. So, okay, sound is okay, picture well. All right, thank you for feedback. AI, funny, thank you. AI is everywhere now. Yes, agree. And all right, so I just see that you're replying that, okay, you already use AI. Yeah, we can divide you into groups. Yeah, you already use AI to grow your business, let's say, and to expand it, extend it. And another group, let's say that we will talk about you plan to use it as maybe additional tool in e-commerce or somewhere else. Okay, today we'll talk about that in more detail, so you will know for sure how to use AI in just various industries, for your private business, for just your personal use, or surely for e-commerce. So let's start. Agenda for today, we'll talk about AI text generation, design, video generation, chatbots, personalization, based product search engine driven analytics, and in the end we will have questions and answer sessions. So I'll ask you during the webinar, if you have any questions, please message me to my email. Here is it, webster@webmeridian.net, and in the end we will take, let's say, the best ones, maybe top 5 or less or more, and we will read it and our experts will give you a prompt response. So don't hesitate to reach me out to my email address and just ask anything you like regarding your AI or e-commerce, the role AI in e-commerce, and so on. Because now we have a translation in different platforms, so you will be able to use email please only. All right, so let's start. No need maybe to talk more about myself. I'm just a business development manager, have strong experience, 6 years experience in business growth development, different e-commerce shops and platforms, and numerous of projects were successfully launched and increased and expanded. We have 2 guests. Let's focus on our guests. I will give few words to them. So it's Alexey Tarasov and Alexey Fedis. So Alexey, please, a few words about yourself.
Yes. So actually, I'm a project manager with more than 7 years IT project management career, trying to combine the pragmatism and innovation.
Great. Sure, briefly, but very, very accurate. Oleg, please, about you.
Hi guys, I am web developer with a 10-year experience in that, maybe focus mainly on the Shopify platform, and through these years, especially in that platform, I got some really good experience, and so I can share a bit today with you.
Okay, so 3 of us today will talk more about AI. We'll talk about Magento, Shopify, and so on. So first, AI text generation. Let me give you some statistics, funny statistics and a useful one as well. ChatGPT, all of us know the ChatGPT. So currently it has an IQ of 155, while Einstein, all of us must know, Einstein had an IQ about 160. All of us, like most of people, an average IQ is between 85 to 115. The model of ChatGPT 3, now we have 3.5 and 4.0. So ChatGPT 3 was trained on more than 45 terabytes of data. Most scientists they estimate that human storage capacity is around between 10 to 100 terabytes. How about AI in different aspects? So we know that AI will help us to speed and data processing. Also, it automates tasks, reduce manual workflow. Also, it allows us to operate continuously without fatigue. AI is cost effective because it often requires minimum ongoing expenses. Also, with AI text generation like ChatGPT, you can quickly conduct researches and generate various context types such as contact plans, product descriptions, video scripts, social media posts, but not articles. Why not articles? Let's discuss about that. So Google spam policies warn against the extensive use of generative AI tools for page creation, as it can harm website page ranking in search results. So you can be indexing and your website can be not appearing in Google at all if you use AI too much. However, Google search guidelines for AI generated content suggest that such content can provide value to users. How? In cases where AI generates content is deemed useful, Google may refrain from imposing penalties. So the conclusion is, it's crucial to utilize AI text generator as additional tools to help create more valuable content for users. So in few words, it means just we're not focusing absolutely generate everything using AI, but use it as an additional helpful tool and strictly use the specific queries to help it to use it, but not everything. How about the generation of text on Shopify? Oleg, please let us know a bit about it.
Yeah, there's a lot of different ways actually to do some generation of the text. It's mainly, I suppose, is ChatGPT that can be integrated in a couple of different ways as well. There are some direct methods to integrate. There are some special needs services for that, some apps, and so on and so forth. About the apps, there are kind of a couple of cool ones that we should check usually. That is the one that creates description. You can see on the slide there are the number 2A app is the one that creates descriptions. It's actually pretty nice and making things more detailed without much of the efforts. The SEO optimizers that will help you a lot with the SEO and writing different blogs. And moreover, it can create some ads for you and creatives for your ads as well. It's really helpful. And obviously the language translator that will help to provide a better translations to your store and help you to become more maybe international, something like that.
Sounds great. That's really extensive role of AI on Shopify. What about Magento? Alex, how about the role of AI text generation on that?
Yes, actually, there are few solutions. For example, on the marketplace, you can find the Magento 2 ChatGPT, which generate some product descriptions, could help you with category pages, could generate some CMS pages, and of course the meta titles. Also, there is a ChatGPT AI content generator. We generate different forms of text, context such as short, long form, product descriptions, meta titles, meta descriptions, and of course you can connect it directly with ChatGPT.
Okay, thanks. So, audience, if you're looking to integrate an AI solution into online store, starting with the ChatGPT or text generation, we are here to assist you. Please message me at webster@webmeridian.net and we'll find out the best solution for you. And we move on. So now we'll talk about more specific topic, more complicated. It's AI design. Product image have a significant impact on conversion rates, with studies showing that high quality images increases conversion by up to 60%. In this case study, we explore how photos are adapted for users across various continents, including Europe, Africa, Asia, and the Arab world. So, for example, you can look at this picture and see that the same dress, but the lady is a bit different. So, it's generated image is adapted to the local country, to the local user. So, AI design improves product appearance, making them more attractive and appealing. It can just create different background. It can do the better quality of the picture or different effects. You can just look at the pictures and can see that before and after, different backgrounds, they look more natural, more realistic, and that finally, it increases your sales. So design is really important here. What else can do AI? AI can even do something unusual, incredible. You don't need to go to the special photo studio or be super innovative. They hire a team of people who will work for a month at some picture to make it more attractive. No, it will take just a few minutes for AI, even seconds, to create pictures like this. For example, for your shoes, look at the perfumes or a lipstick. That's really wonderful what AI can do. And Oleg maybe will guide us how AI can help you to develop your Shopify.
Yeah, as usually, it's going to be with the help of the apps. You can see there are two apps. They have pretty different functions. Actually, for the my personal, I really like the Creator Kit app. It's pretty good and pretty powerful. Helps you to do some changes to your images you are using, like changing backgrounds, making even some short videos, really short ones, based on a static image, like adding some interactivity. Really, really like it to use, and it's super easy to use. And the second one is kind of more specific. It allows you to change the model, as you can see from the naming of that app.
Yeah.
And it's pretty cool, especially for the fashion industry, which is pretty massive lately. And it will just allow you to make your product look really nice and look really different, make it really great to compare things, something like that.
Yeah, great, thank you. Yeah, I see the picture. You have one picture, for example, the model, only one picture of a model in US, and it can generate the same, in this case, shirt, but changing the model to Japan, India, South Africa. So that's really good.
Saves money and mainly time.
Yeah. All right. Now we'll talk about even more interesting thing. It's about AI video generation. According to a HubSpot study, video captures users' attention more effectively. So 44% of consumers express interest in seeing more videos content from brands of businesses. Video content can significantly increase the time users spend on your website. Severe reports that website with videos experience an 88% increase in user engagement. Video fosters an emotional connection with the audience, a crucial element building trust. Yeah, I think that's really true. Personally, me as a user, I really attract more to videos, interesting videos, funny videos, or something can really cover all my attention. So AI can do even more, not just edit the video, but convert a text to video. So there are many tools that we can share them with you later that you can just describe what you like to see at the video, and AI generator will make this video for you with their word description. And image to video, that is another tool. So you have the very static image, you have a short description, what you like to do with this image, and AI generator will create a video. So I think that's amazing right now, what we can just follow in the modern world, how it's developing. And it's very, very accessible. You must know only the name of this tool and get it. Also, we have the avatar generator. So avatar, it's just a design of some person. Maybe you can do it for yourself. It can copy your appearance, all the emotions, all your movements. So it's usually just very, very easy way. You just shoot yourself for a couple of seconds, or your own video, or the modeling video of someone you like to show. And the algorithms later of this AI generator will copy these features, and you don't need to record anything anymore at all. So AI will do this video for you, by the way, in multi-languages. So you will save your time, you will save your cost, and avatar can work for you. You just need to write the text, and the text will be transferred to this avatar and let it speak like it's a live person and it's real. So that's amazing. Another one is voice generator, and I can show you even our own example. So for example, this video was generated using the voice generating an AI. It can just replicate the tone, emotions, accent, and that's really sounds very, very natural. So let me just...
Did you know that 95% of online stores miss out on 3/4 of their search traffic? It happens...
So I'm really amazed of this. So that's really great.
Has a specification by both style and gender. This is already the second, getting only 20% of the website traffic.
And it just took seconds, not minutes, to just press the button and let the AI do their work. So that's just amazing.
Did you know that 95% of all...
Okay, next. How about AI video generation on the Shopify? How can it help the business, and how does it work?
Well, it's working as described. Obviously, the with the help of the meta video, I suppose you can have some pretty nice and useful tool to boost your sales with the social media with the less efforts, and that will help you to edit some videos, do some changes, etc., etc., and automate a lot for you in the social part of your business, I suppose. And pretty much cool that it can help you to run ads for the campaigns and automate it as well.
Yeah, great. Thank you. Thank you. I really hope that it will help our audience, our just viewers, also to use it and let their business grow. If you are looking for integrate any AI solution that we mentioned before, and we will mention in the future more, Assist is here. So just write me, Webster@webmeridian.net, and we will find out the best solution for you. We'll provide you an audit. We will let you know what will be the best way for you and to be on the top. Okay, next is AI chatbots. So what is an AI chatbot? It's program that can simulate human-like customer interaction on mobile apps and websites through the use of NLP and machine learning. According to a report by Insider Intelligence, chatbots can help businesses save up to 30% of customer services costs by automating responses to frequently asked questions and easing the workload of live operators. The Salesforce reports reveals that 69% of consumers prefer to engage with chatbots to promptly address simple issues. I'm using it as well. So when I just contacted the bankings and some big stores many years ago, even they already implemented that. But now all of us can do it easily in a very cheap way, and it's very accessible solution and available solution for really any kind of business, even for very small startups, for small shops and online stores. How about AI chatbots on Shopify? I'm really curious to know that, Oleg. Oleg, are you here?
Sorry. Yes, there are a couple of ways to connect the chatbot to your store, and a couple of them are really interesting. From my perspective, the first one is Studio. As you can see, it can help you a lot with the managing of different customers, allows you to have a good social interaction, and mainly allows your customers to find correct answers for their questions based on the information that is addressed to your website, I suppose. Like general chatbots are working, and alongside of that, it also allows a lot of different ways to interact, even with the messengers, emails, not only live chat. So it's pretty cool one, and allows some kind of customization also for the widget for your website, so it will not just look like out of scope. And one more thing is a help center for FAQ pages as well. It's kind of builder for that with the dependency of what you need. Depending on what you need, it's gonna help you to create those sections and provide some AI translations, can be connected to the ChatGPT in a few clicks, and obviously have a live chat integrated as well, which is cool as well.
Thank you for clarifying that. And I'm sure that Alex will now make some notes for us, will let us know what is going on about AI chatbots for Magento.
Yes, on my experience, we use Intellytics. It's also the AI-powered live chat. So it's a combined intelligence of AI and human to create proactive, personalized conversation experience to convert visitors for more qualified leads. So actually, it's also pretty customizable and quite useful.
All right, so Intellytics, we'll remember all of the tools. By the way, if you're looking to integrate a chatbot, you're interested in the list of the tools that will help you by your own to create AI integration, message me, Webster at webmeridian.net, and we'll find out, we'll help you with everything that you need. Next topic is personalization. What is it? Personalization is the process of creating individualized experience on websites and through online sales channels by adapting content, product recommendations, special offers, and other elements to specific needs and interests of each user. So it's really personal thing, not just as for all of us. All of us are different, but it's specified to some really specific needs of the certain customers, of the certain user. So personalization for Shopify. Oleg, will you tell us please more about that?
Yes, sure. The first thing I would like to notice is about the app called Frequently Bought Together. It's a pretty nice, powerful tool that allow you to boost your sales much. I would really recommend it because it's really easy to work with. Has a manual and or even automated recommendation based on the previous sales on different rules you want to set up as well. And there is also one thing that I really was interested in. There is a random recommendation, but not kind of random, but based also on some rules that you can set and based on the general statistics of your website, of the purchases and so on and so on. And it's pretty cool, I think. And also that thing creates discounts for your offers and creates bundles that are easy to offer and it's understandable to the client, to the customer. The next one is the Race AI gift card and loyalty app. Pretty easy to understand from the naming of the tool what it does. It just helps you to set up some flows for the referrals, flows for the gift cards to offer them to keep your customers coming and buying some more things.
Mm-hmm. Okay, great, thank you. And I would like to also just to hear what will Alex say about that on Magento.
Yes, from my experience, I would highlight the automatic related products. So Magento to related products extension, the tool that dynamically shows showcases related products offers on the websites. It's really easy to adjust rules and conditions to enable smart personalizations and recommendations seamlessly to AI-driven solution. It has a big amount of different settings, so it's quite good. And another one solution would be the Nostr content personalization, which help you to personalize all content elements on your commerce website, banners, logos, menus, segments in real time. And it also have a big bunch of different rules customization. So
Great. There are so many options on both Magento and Shopify. Perfect. Next, we'll talk about AI-based product search engine. It's a system powered by artificial intelligence that enables users to search for products using advanced algorithm and machine learning techniques to deliver more accurate and relevant search results. So I'll read briefly. Enhanced relevance utilizes advanced algorithm to deliver highly relevant search results to users, improving the overall shopping experience. Personalization that we talked before incorporates user behavior and preferences to provide personalized product recommendations, increasing the likelihood of conversion. Improved search accuracy utilizes machine learning techniques to continuously refine search algorithm, leading to more accurate search results and reducing irrelevant matches, and faster search speed that optimizes search process through AI-driven optimization, resulting in faster response times and improved user satisfaction. Oleg and Alex both will now talk a little bit more about that with using on Shopify and Magento. Oleg, again, please.
Yeah, I would recommend for that purpose the Boost AI Search Filter. That is actually pretty nice app before it was integrated with AI even, and it was pretty powerful there. well, but now it got even better. It's performing much better. It has a lot of different features that are now, such as smart search with proper suggestions, the filters, the searches on the popular things, and that AI-based stuff is now statistically based and allows to add some manual recommendations, maybe for maximum upsell and upsell impact. Also can be used wherever you want, based on the pages. I mean, the product page for the collections, etc. A lot of different ways to utilize that app, and it's the thing. I suppose it's one of the must-have apps for the Shopify stores that want to use AI.
Okay, thanks. By the way, Alex, you have Alex, you have some noise appear to your microphone. While have this pause, would you be able to fix it? That will help us a lot. And Alex,
Yeah,
how about Magento?
Yes, actually, there are two solutions in this case. So the one of them, it's Search NA Smart Search Autocomplete. So this is extension offers an improved site search, a better search results page with the help of painful customization filters. Another one, actually, that Elasticsearch, which is already pre-installed in Magento, also moved forward in this direction, so you can connect it with ChatGPT also. So there are two solutions in this case.
Perfect. Now it's clear. If you require any assistance in configuring personalization for your online store, like AI-based product search or related products, we are here to help. Webster@webmeridian.net. That is my email. I'll be waiting for your messages, for your emails. Don't hesitate to reach me out if you have any kind of question. And we're going to the end of the meeting, but last but not the least, but maybe not the last, AI-driven analytics. This is a complicated topic, so I'll read it for you. This is the process of analyzing data enhanced by artificial intelligence algorithms. It utilizes machine learning and other AI techniques to uncover insights, patterns, and trends within large data sets, enabling more accurate predictions and informed decision-making. Statistically, companies that implement AI-driven analytics have reported significant improvement in decision-making speed, up to 5 times faster, cost reduction up to 30%, and revenue increases up to 30%, according to various industry studies. So you can see the graphics on your right. Next tool is Amplitude AI. Is a suite of AI-powered feature that helps you navigate every aspect of building great digital products, from getting you first user behavior insights to delivering a perfect personalized experience to your customers. So it can make some predictions. Now we're talking about so many tools. I'm sure that most of you even didn't expect that AI have so many capabilities, and it's available, and sometimes it's available even free for that tools that we mentioned earlier. If you want to know all the list, how to do it even by yourself with our help, you can also stay at the end of the webinar, and later I will tell you what to do. So Amplitude AI is an assistant that will aid at conducting diagrams and writing formulas. You can ask this technology to, for example, do some models, comprehends product, taxonomy, different languages, and do some analytics for you. You need to just make an input, ask the question, and this AI assistant will prepare a response with analytics demonstration. So I think that is really great. You don't need to hire an advisor and just a very expensive consultant and so on. All right. about top 30 AI tools list for e-commerce that will help you to increase your business is in our bucket. Just message me and we'll send you the file with the top AI tools that we partially described today, but this is not the full list. We have them all. So send me a message and we'll be waiting for you all. All right, and now we had time for you to prepare for some questions. If you still have a minute, please send it right now. And I will check my email right now, inbox, and we'll see what exactly to pick all the questions we have. Okay, my also assistant already picked some questions and combine it within several topics I see. Okay, I'll read the first question. Integrating ChatGPT via API or using ready-made apps for Shopify? So Shopify mentioned here, so probably that's the questions. That's the question to Oleg. Oleg, please. That's interesting question. What would you answer? What would you answer?
Well, that's depends on what kind of tasks you are going to complete with those instruments, because for some tasks there is always an integration of the ChatGPT with API, but it's going to be not very easy. On some point, if you have some complicated cases, if you want just to cover some basics or some tasks that do not need that deep integration, they can be covered by apps easily. There's a bunch of different apps that can help you with that. So that's much depends on what you need in general.
General question, general answer. Okay, I picked another question, probably for Alex. Can AI-based analytics automatically detect the best-selling products and from which advertising channels and notify me of these trends, for example, via email? All right, Alex, please answer this question if you're capable.
Okay, let me think about this. So I think some apps do that with products recommendation, for example, but they might not cover all the data that is requested. So it's better to get full spectrum of data with some additional specification and use models that are based on the data recommendation page. So also there are cool solutions from Google, from third-party services, which not really the application or extensions, but the services in general.
Okay, thank you. Not much time left, so maybe that will be the last question right now I'll ask. Is it possible to integrate ChatGPT into an online store so that it generates content for any page, any location, not just product description? Interesting. Oleg, maybe you will answer.
Yes, sure. There are a lot of different ways to do that. That will help you to create, to generate the content for that. But depending on how your pages are created, for example, for the Shopify, can be in a couple of different ways, and the source of information and the display of that information might be a little different for some particular cases. So that is all possible, obviously, but that will require some middle agents to connect the chat for that. So it's all possible, but maybe with a little effort.
Okay, thank you for answering. Thank you very much to all of our audience to send in your questions. We will also reply to you individually to them. And thank you, Oleg and Alex, for this meeting, for this webinar, to sharing your experience with us. Finally, guys, visitors, audience, Shopify and Magento owners, or maybe you think just you need to open something. If you plan to do any business, please message me to webster@webmeridian.net, and with help of Alex and Oleg and all the teams that inside our companies will help you out to grow your business, to be in the top, and to have prompt benefits, sales, and increase your money finally. So I will be waiting for your messages. Here is my email address. Thank you all. It was a pleasure to be with you, and see you at the next webinars. Goodbye, everyone.